Harmon, I would watch where you stand in that ring, buddy. I'm gonna get your nose hair singed.
Amongst other things, you might end up like LG.
Yes, it's so nice without him around, isn't it?
I know, I love it.
And here they come. Oh, look out, Lance. I'm telling you people, you ruined my brain with that stuff, and yeah.
Just accept it. Awesome. Just accept it.
You don't have to pay for the ring.
Oh, you're right.
Don't you dare glare at me. Don't you dare glare at me. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here for the main event. This is a non-title matchup. We have in the corner Colossus, to a height 6'7" at a weight of 259 pounds. From Sacramento, California, he is the Wolf, Lance Drakosyn. And in the corner to our right, at a height of 6'1", weight unknown, coming from the 7th circle of hell, he is the reigning VAW champion. He is Insidious. And again, as I said, this is a non-title match brought about in Arcana came out and said that competition for Insidious, and Lance the Wolf Drakosyn came out and said, hold up here, I'll take him on, and here's where we are right now. So we are here now at this main event, and we are getting ready to start.
Come on, ref, ring the damn bell.
And it seems like Lance is getting just a tad bit in a hurry there.
I think he's just mad that his daddy Seth isn't here anymore.
Oh, yes, could be. Could be. Could be. So here we go. It looks like maybe Harmon is debating whether he wants to check Insidious or not.
Either he's just getting some dramatic effect.
That could be it too. Well, I mean, let's be serious here. I don't know if there's so many people that would be like, okay, let me check you out here when somebody as big as Insidious, but apparently Lance thinks that he can go toe to toe with Insidious, the VAW champion. So let's see.
This is gonna be.
You know what? I'm not waiting around. Let's get this on.
Oh,
can I ring the bell? Can I ring the? Oh, never mind.
It just started. And Lance decided. I'm sure you can, yes. And Lance decides that he just... Lance decides he does not want to wait, and he basically runs right into Insidious, and now Irish whips Insidious into the ropes. Oh, and hits him with the clothesline as he comes back, but Insidious rolls and gets right back up in Lance's face, like it didn't even faze him.
I'm sure it didn't. I mean, look at the difference between them. Sure, Lance may have gone and roided up a little bit, but he's still normal squirrely.
Oh, and Lance goes with a kick to the gut, followed by an inverted atomic drop, taking Insidious off his feet. Now he comes off the ropes, using that momentum in a leg drop, keeping Insidious down. And he's going for the pin already. I don't know. And he only gets... Oh, he gets a 2 before Insidious kicks out. I think that was a kind of a quick 2, but okay. We'll go with it.
I just want to enjoy watching Insidious just kind of beat down squirrely.
Well, so far, it looks like it's been mostly squirrely. I mean, or mostly Lance, I hate to say it, but, yeah. Oh, look at this!
You're the one that brought Insidious here. You should know how he is by now.
And Lance with an enziguri on Insidious, taking him down, tries to...
Are you freaking kidding me? That was a 3 count, ref. A 3 count.
Jesus Christ, I'm so sick of hearing his voice already.
Well, as you can see, he's a bit upset. But he thought that was a definite 3 count. I don't know if I agree with him on that one. He kicked up rather quickly, but he's going to try and keep this up here, keep the momentum going, and he's Irish whipping Insidious into the corner. Normally, I would say this is not a good place for Insidious to be, but we are talking about Insidious, but looks like Lance is going to take it upon himself. He is going to go right in, go up on the top. Oh, and here I go. See? Oh, wow. Insidious caught Lance with a standing power bomb. That's what I was saying. Normally I would say it is not a good idea to be in the corner, but in this instant I really believe that it was not good that Lance put him in the corner. I mean, you put a caged animal in the corner, what is going to happen?
You would think Lance wouldn't want to put anybody in the corner and put himself in a situation after even I did that to him.
Now, here we have Lance in the corner. This is definitely not a place where Lance wants to be. This is definitely, and look at this, Insidious is setting him up. He is grabbing a hold of him, and oh no, he's going for a ride. Oh my God.
Just plants him, that was great. Over here.
I have to admit, that was not a good move on Lance's part to put Insidious in the corner, and he is now paying for it in a big way. Insidious got a hold of Lance, German suplexes him right in the center of the ring, and he is going for the pin. He's got a 1, a 2, and somehow, I have no idea, somehow Lance kicked out of that. Wow. I mean, that was amazing. I have to say, I didn't think Lance would be able to kick out from that punishment. Look at this jawbreaker on Insidious. Wow. He comes back with just enough energy, just enough momentum to grab Insidious and perform that jawbreaker. Wow, both men on mat now. Looks like Lance gets up first, and he's going right after Insidious. Oh, and a DDT. And it looks like that may have hurt the big man just a little. He's going for the pin again. He's got a 1, a 2, but...
Oh, I knew he was going to say something. Jesus Christ, make him Jasmine, tell him to shut up and just wrestle.
The champion kicks out. I don't know. I don't know why he's... Well, okay, so he stopped, and he's going to go right back after Insidious.
You're our
he got him with a stunner.
Arcana telling him, alright, Insidious, that's enough.
Yep. I do believe that is Insidious's cue there.
Are you freaking kidding me? Okay. What? That was a 3 count, ref. Can't you count? Come on. Are you freaking kidding me?
Oh man!
You know, I always knew that Squirrely was a bit daft. He took his mind off of Insidious, one of probably the most dangerous people in the VAW, for just long enough for Insidious to get up.
And turned his back towards him. Oh man, this is not going to be good. Oh, but Lance comes back with the stunner. Wow.
He's gonna
try again. And again, a 1 and a 2. No, only a 2 again.
Are you freaking kidding me?
It's like watching a NASCAR race. Everything is the exact same that's been happening.
Only a 2 count, he says.
You know what? This is getting out of hand. I'll be right back.
Okay. And you can hear Insidious growling. I don't think he's hurting Insidious. I think he's pissing him off.
Yeah. I've never heard a grown man, demon, humanoid thing growl before, but I mean, it doesn't exactly sound too, nice.
No, it's definitely very evil sounding and very, yes, very rumbling. That's a good,
Harmon, look at him. Harmon.
I know it's here somewhere.
Harmon, he's looking for something under the ring.
Yes.
Harmon, he got a chair.
Uh-oh.
This is gonna end, and this is gonna end now.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Harmon, what the hell are you doing? He has a chair. Stop making out with the turnbuckle.
Oh, Harmon, I'm disappointed in you.
Oh my god. Stop making out with the turnbuckle. He has a chair.
You know, this is not only, I mean, you know, this may be something that Lance has planned or whatever, but he's giving Insidious time to regain his composure, to not that he probably needs that long, but now it looks like Harmon definitely sees the chair, and he is telling him he is not allowed to use it.
Fine.
I don't know. And he is starting his count. And he's got the chair. It looks like he's getting back in the ring.
Okay, I'm getting really... You know what? I'm getting really sick and tired of you interrupting my matches, Kimon. I'm getting really sick and tired of you interrupting every single... Get away from me, ref!
I don't interrupt the matches. I'm just here to commentate something that you
I'm getting really sick. What? What?
Yeah. Oops.
This is great. I
And there-
love my job.
And it just hits him with the highway to hell. And goes right back and picks him right back up again.
I love my job.
Oh no. Oh! With this finisher, the sacrifice, and goes for the pin. He's got a 1, a 2, and a 3. That is all she wrote.
That was great to watch.
Oh, and your winner is VAW champion Insidious.
I would go give Insidious a high five, but I mean, I can't even be in the ring with Squirrely without getting fired, so. That was great to watch.
Are you done playing? You should have gotten him done long ago.
Well, it seems like Arcana is not very happy that he took so long, but what? Wait, what the heck is this?
Ruben, how we are gonna do them? Slew them!
Oh boy.
Who the?
Uh-oh.
Well done. Yo,
Looks like somebody is a
slew
little
them
bit
at their
upset.
feelings, them a carry. Them done bow already and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them at their feelings, them a carry. You know, want do them something for me again? Well, you what you with him? Who them a could have what got them a try? Them got this king Selassie, what you like them die, yeah. Who them a make us see them with
Wow,
this
he
well?
is toe-to-toe with Insidious. And you could just hear Insidious growl.
Ross says, you think you're the man, don't you? Oh, well. You faintly hear that Arcano said something, and then both of them just disappeared into flames.
Wow. Oh, okay. Well, they just kind of left Raz in the dust there.
Ross says, Ross just says, I'm coming for that title. He just kind of left him